Welcome to beautiful Noosa Heads. My name is Jed Avery from Tropicsurf Noosa. We do exclusive private surfing groups, so any amount of people, we will pick you up, give you personal transfers, take you to the beach, give you personal private tuition and take you surfing in one of the most beautiful spots in Australia. Yeah, so Noosa Heads is one of the most beautiful spots in Australia. I'm a little bit biased because I'm from here, but we have 5 right-hand point breaks that suit all levels and abilities of surfer. And yeah, we have waves for the most challenging, right down to waves for the absolute beginner. So Noosa's headland is a national park. So it is filled with beautiful native trees. We have eucalypts, we have gums, we have melaleucas. We have koalas in the trees. They're a little hard to spot at times, but they are there and you do see them from time to time. We have goannas, we have kookaburras, we have all these amazing birds and animals just parading all around us while we surf in this natural habitat. Yeah, I've surfed all around the world, but nowhere quite compares to home. Noosa is really the most beautiful place, and it is such an amazing place to call home. Today we've got 2 clients that are going to learn to surf here at beautiful Tea Tree Bay, Noosa Heads. We're going to start off with a few basics on the beach, just go over a bit of technique on the beach, and then we're going to take them out in the water and get them surfing. So come on down and follow me and come and see what we do. Okay, Kim and Amy, hey, welcome to Tropicsurf Noosa. First of all, we're going to learn how to lie on our boards correctly. So we're going to get you down on the boards and we're going to practice our perfect technique to lie on our surfboard and to paddle it out through the waves. All right. As the wave approaches, I'll be the approaching wave. As it comes to just off the front of your nose, put your hands back under your chest and lift your upper body off the board. That way you'll go over the breaking wave and then you can continue on paddling after you've gone over the other side. Beautiful, perfect. All right guys, now we're going to practice our spring to feet position. That is where we go from a prone position lying down and we jump up into our perfect standing position. All right, Amy, would you like to try first? Excellent, nice jump. And if your foot is a little too forward, you can slide it around once you're up. Remember to stay nice and crouched, shoulders nice and square, beautiful, and a nice low balance in the crouch. Excellent. All right, your turn, Kim. And up. Perfect. Foot nice, and you can slide that foot round just a touch. Excellent. Perfect, guys. Beautiful work. Yeah, all of our instructors are fully qualified lifeguards. So yeah, we're fully certified in CPR and advanced resus. So surfing with Tropicsurf is probably the safest, easiest form of learn to surf experience you'll ever have. Kids that have never surfed before, through to parents that have never surfed before, are all very welcome. And yeah, we will make sure that you have a safe, wonderful experience and that is nothing but all good times.